Today I am coming in front of you with one other sweet dish, Rava Laddus. Anyway, Diwali is coming. I thought I will also make some sweet dishes. Let us see how to make this tasty and sweet Rava Laddus. So for that we need, what are the ingredients I will tell you. 1 cup Rava. This is the measuring cup for me. Normal tea cup only. In this cup I took 1 cup Rava. Then 3 by 4 cup, not 1 full cup, 3 by 4 cup sugar granules, not powder. This is 2 tablespoons of malai, fresh cream, because when we boil the milk and keep it at fridge, when you take it out you get the cream on the top. I removed and kept that cream, otherwise you will get fresh cream from outside. So anyway, 2 tablespoons fresh cream. Then this is the 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. Now we need some dry fruits. So I am taking only badam. You can take badam, cashew, anything. This fruit we have to grate it. Then we need some kismis. Then we need 1 by 4 cup of fresh milk. So these are the items we need for making our Rava Laddu. Shall we start? See, I kept the frying pan on the stove. Then I pour 1 spoon ghee. Then I am putting this grated coconut. See, just see whether it is hot. So now the ghee is ready. So I am putting the coconut. No need to deep fry the coconut, just heat for some time. If you want, you can take more coconut also. I am taking only 3 tablespoons. You can take 5 tablespoons also. Then this is the crushed badam. This also your choice. If you want it, just you can grate it, or you cut the dry fruit with knife. I just grinded in the mixie. See, along with the coconut, I am putting the dry fruit also. Fry for 2-3 minutes. In medium flame. Then this is cardamom powder. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. That also you fry it. Then switch off the stove and remove it to a plate. See, I removed the fried coconut into a plate. Then again I am keeping the same frying pan and I am pouring 2 tablespoons of ghee. See, I am putting the rava. No need to make the rava brown color. So just fry it until a nice aroma comes from the rava. See, when we make rava halwa and all, we have to make it, the rava color has to change it into a brown color. But for making laddu, it is not necessary. Only fry for some time till a nice aroma comes. Now slowly we are adding our sugar. Keep on frying and stirring continuously till the sugar completely dissolves in the rava. In medium flame only we are frying. See, when you are using rava for this laddu, first you fry and use. That is better. Otherwise, it take a long time to get it fried. When I buy rava from outside, I always buy fried rava. Otherwise, if you are not using the fried one in the ghee, you have to fry it for a long time. See, now the sugar is almost dissolved. So this time we can add our fresh cream. This is the fresh cream. So add the cream slowly. This is the grated and fried coconut with the dry fruits. You can fry the dry fruits separately also with the coconut also. With this coconut I added dry fruit and cardamom powder. This is the quarter cup milk. Slowly add the milk. Actually, I used boiled and cooled milk only in the fridge. If you are using the fresh milk, you can use fresh milk also, but that time you have to fry it for long time. This is already boiled milk, so no need to fry for a long time. Fry for 2-3 minutes and switch it off. Then switch off the stove. The next is take little by little into a different plate and start making laddu. Don't make it too cool. The other part you keep it here only and take little by little from the stove and start making laddu. This much I am taking now. That the rest I kept it here only. With this one we start making the lid. See, start making the laddu. Don't make the rava mix so cool. Start making when it is hot. See, keep one kismis in the center. This kismis I have not fried in the ghee. It is little hot only. If 2-3 people are there, it is very easy. Make it tight. If you add dry fruits, the taste will be very nice. Don't forget to see my video, like it, share it, and first time, if you are watching my video first time, please subscribe it. I have already prepared many dishes. In Malayalam only, 2-3 dishes only in English. Like this we can make all laddus. I took only one half here, half part is there on the stove only. See, our tasty rava laddus are ready. Only the thing, when the mix is hot, that time itself you start making the laddus. And take only little by little from the frying pan and start making it. I hope everybody must have enjoyed my video. Please do watch my video. See you next day with another video. Thank you. See, this is our tasty rava laddus.